Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with something that was really highly requested. It was another round of tarot readings. We are adding something on. We are going to do a normal tarot reading and
Also doing an angel card reading.
so we're going to have two perspectives, and this time we are going to be predicting stuff about the 90 Day Fiancé cast, and we are super kicked because we are big fans and we binge watch the show. So let's see what the cards have to say.
Yeah.
So our first question is about Yara and Jovi, and the question is, will Jovi be able to continue his new family life lifestyle, or is he gonna go back to being crazy and out of control?
Yeah.
So can Yara and their new baby keep him tamed? What do you think?
I think he's gonna be a family man. Like
Even, I
being
don't know,
one.
even I feel really like positive
Yeah.
about it. And the show, like, you know, it like exaggerates the situation. So what are you drawn towards?
This.
Okay. We have got the Two of Cups, which is a very unexpected coming together of two people.
Okay.
And it is not a one-sided
Thing.
bond. It is always two-sided. But also this card is very like business and commerce related.
Okay.
So like, is he like this because he knows?
That Yara is good for his look and
I don't know, for more fame.
yeah.
Because they're obviously earning a lot from this.
Mhm.
But I don't know. Whatever it is, it's a very positive card. I think it'll be a successful
Journey
for them.
Yeah.
You want to pick out an angel card for
Yes,
them?
let's do it. Okay, which card are you drawn to?
This one.
Yeah. So this is the King of Spring, and it says innovative, inspiring, wise, and theatrical. King of Spring is a kind of person who's like very charming and who's into acting and just like loves attention, and so I think Jovi is very much like
All
that.
of this.
Yeah.
And I think King of Spring is also a very like father figure kind of a
Yes.
card.
So that's a positive indication over there.
Yeah, and it even relates to the question that it is a very family oriented card.
King of Spring is also a kind of person who won't tolerate if you upstage him or just make things difficult for him. So if I think Yara is like acting too much,
She acting up.
she might find herself in bad waters.
Yeah. So basically, it's all positive and yeah. So our next question is about Darcy, and it's a question that we all want an answer to. Will Darcy ever find true love again? And we look forward to what the spirits have to say.
Yeah.
What do you feel?
I feel attracted and pulled towards this card. It's a sad card.
So this is the Eight of Swords, and it's a very sad card because this card means that you are blinded to your own weaknesses, which I think is so true in Darcy's case, because she just gives so much, and I don't know, she's just insecure in her head about herself.
I think that's why she's manifesting these bad relations.
Basically an indication card that remove your blindfold and fight these weaknesses that you've created for yourself. This also means that the person is stuck in a confusion, is feeling very trapped, and you have to just break through the shackles to finally, probably this is the answer. Like, she has to do this, and if and when she does it, she will find true love.
And I think it's also a sign of like keep notice on those red flags And
Yeah.
just don't blindly, like you said.
Yeah. Don't just blindly
Yeah.
follow.
Hmm.
Let's pick an angel card.
So let's see what the angels have to say about this. So what is the card you're attracted towards?
I think this one.
Okay.
You know what? I think this one.
Yeah. Okay. You choose a pick.
So this is the Queen of Autumn.
Mhm.
Generous, stylish, gracious, and practical. Darcy is all of the above except practical.
Be practical. So it's giving a suggestion. I
Yeah,
think,
yeah. This
right?
is literally the same thing.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
So it says be practical with respect to how you proceed, the ability to make anything more beautiful, okay, and meeting someone who can help your dreams come true. So
It's basically the same message
thing,
from the
yeah.
two cards.
so basically the card says be practical with your approach and have faith as well, but you do that by being positive and just not manifesting all these bad messed up guys, so just be practical about it and maybe she will find the right person.
Yeah, she might find her king.
So this brings us to our third question, which is about Michael and Angela. So
Okay.
is Michael just cheating on Angela and doing this for the green card, or does he really love her?
Okay. What do you think?
I think he loves her, and I think she's just super paranoid about the entire situation.
This card like came out on its own. Like,
Okay,
you
I
know?
already saw that. What that is? It's
So-
a very yes. This scares me. Like I'm scared.
I'm
now.
scared. Like, this is the.
So is this a big manipulation game?
I don't know. I mean, this card is like. See, maybe this card is trying to tell us something bigger, like that they
Okay.
both are not good for each other.
Okay.
Because
Makes sense,
because
yeah.
see this card talks about like two people being chained, you know, to something, and something very toxic, and which that relationship is like, you know,
Yeah.
they're still fighting, they're still not happy.
Honest thing, like she's overthinking. Even when problems are not there, she's creating them.
Yeah. And like there is just no balance, and we
Yeah.
have no idea like when he'll even actually be able to ever come to the US. So I just think that this
They should
means
let
that
go.
yeah, this means that like it ain't happening. Like
Yeah.
like I don't want to believe that this card is saying that Michael is the, you know,
The wrong one.
the wrong one, or like, you know, guided by the devil or whatever. But I just think that this card says that they both are chained to something that's just not for them.
Hopefully, some light-hearted card
Yeah.
will come up now. Okay, what is the card? What's the angel card?
This, I guess. The magician.
So you can do anything. Take charge of your life. You can manifest what you need to be a success. So what does Michael need
Like
to be a success?
to get the green card or what? I think this card is
Yeah.
talking about Michael, like finally, like, you know, like taking control of his own life. Like right now I think he's just like Angela's puppet,
Yeah.
and it's all about her, and he should really step up and I don't know,
Create
break
his
free,
own
I guess.
reality.
Yeah, and like come back to reality actually, and just break free from what's happening. Maybe subconsciously is for the green card.
Yeah. Like I love her, but I'll also get the green card.
Yeah. So our fourth question is about one of the most hated, I guess,
Right now on the internet.
but I think the most,
money maker.
yeah, like the most infamous
Yeah.
character from the show, No Neck Ed. And the question is No Neck Ed doing it all for the fame, or is it really love?
So is Big Ed a cloud chaser or a real one?
Let's see. Pick.
Okay, so this card. Wait, I'm getting confused between this and this. Should we
I
pick like
felt
two?
okay
Okay.
because it's Ed, so I think it deserves 2 cards.
So this can be the first one,
Okay.
and this can be the second one.
Okay.
Good
Hmm.
cards.
Ooh. So this card is the Six of Swords, which basically means going on a journey, and it also shows someone else. You know, you're carrying somebody with you, like some. It can be a person or a baggage or whatever, but you're carrying someone, and this is a genuine card. You know,
Yeah. Okay.
so he's on a voyage.
So it's definitely a journey for Big Ed. We can see that.
Yeah, and this is a very like moving forward card. There is movement, and and this person is also feeling very heavy and sad. So basically, when Ed I think started the whole thing, this was the first time he was going to be with someone after his
Yeah.
like decade or decades long divorce. I don't know. So maybe this talks about that voyage that he started to find someone. So maybe in the start he actually wanted love, but like as maybe things went ahead and he anyway, so the next card that we picked is the World card, which is the major arcana card. It's very strange that the first card was about the beginning of a journey, and the World card is always talking about a completion of a
Completion of
journey.
something, yeah.
And it also means that seeing everything from a completely different perspective. So does this mean that his first perspective was
To
love,
find love, but
and then it became
maybe his career,
yeah, maybe then he was seeing the money and
the
fame
business
side,
side of it. Yeah, I think so too. Because now in the beginning, when I would watch him,
with Rose.
With
Although he
Rose.
was completely horrible,
but it just seemed like he's actually having these emotional intelligence issues. But now, like,
now it's just a joke. I think
It-
now at this
yeah.
point he just like wants to,
it feels like he does it on purpose.
it became from love to money.
Yeah. So can the angels save Ed?
I don't think so, but let's see.
Let's see what the angels have to say. So what is the card that pulls you?
This.
Okay. Three of Spring. For Ed, we got the Three of Spring. This is a very career and money related card. So I think it is a career choice and line for him. So basically,
And he just want to make a quick buck.
yeah, I think he's making lots of bucks.
Yeah, like
Yeah, so I think it's about, and this card also speaks about, planning your moves and, reaching a success, like very career wise, and just having patience too, because he's done all the hard work,
he's put in the effort.
put in the effort with Rose and the current girlfriend. So, like, yeah, I think career wise, he's gonna get a lot of new opportunities, maybe that is what it's saying.
Wow, like whatever he's doing is working out for him for
Yeah,
sure.
good for him,
But like,
bye.
bye. Okay, so that brings us to our last question, and it's about cold tea. And yeah, the question is like quite weird, but this is something that we realized most people want to know. And the question is Colt going to end up with Debbie?
So that's a very weird question and very uncomfortable for some. But this is what you guys want to know, so we are just gonna give you the answers.
Yeah, just do it for y'all. Like,
Yeah,
just go for it.
this.
It's speaking, I don't know, it spoke to me as
Yeah.
well. So we basically got the Empress card. Okay, we got the Empress card, which is a major arcana card. The Empress card is a very nurturing and mother card, and it just talks
Very
about
pure,
it's a very very pure card. So I think that we just push it with the Debbie and Colty hate, and I think they just have a very like extremely strong bond between
Yeah.
them, and yeah, like
There's nothing shady going on.
there's nothing shady
Yeah.
going on. And yeah, so like Debbie ain't so bad.
And Colt is, I think, alright too.
Don't know about like other women in his life, but what he shares with his mother is, this is so strange, but what he shares with his mother is very sweet and a very pure love. They're each other's support and family, so that was a very like sweet
Calm.
card.
Now let's also get some answers from the angels. So angels, what do you think about Colt and Debbie's relationship? What card do you pull?
I think this is like laid out in front
Yeah.
of my eyes.
We got Queen of Spring, which is again a very motherly card. So this card speaks about a devoted parent
Okay.
and someone who manages very good, like balanced life with work and home, and can do a lot of things. She's also like really competitive, and she has like very strong ideas about things, and if you don't agree with them, or
That could be a problem.
that could be a problem. So yeah, I think this describes Debbie's personality, but it doesn't say anything negative. It's like a
It's just a possessive
Yeah.
mother, I think. I think
Yeah.
that's every mother and her child. And yeah, so like no red flags, and
I
the
think a lot
internet
of-
is just a mean place.
Yeah, a lot of these people are like hated, and
Yeah,
I don't know, like,
I think they're made into villains, you know.
yeah.
So it was very interesting, and a lot of the bad guys, claim to be the good guys here, so we don't know.
And one guy that we didn't have any doubts on, and we thought must be like a good one among all, was Michael.
And
He
his
got-
cards were shady, so like we
Yeah.
don't know. But let's see, we'll have to just wait and see how
Let things happen.
let things happen, and let's see how it all adds up.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I think we got a lot of answers. And on that note, like, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And we'll be back with another video very soon. So until then.